In recent years, video games are constantly improving and getting closer to real life. For many gamers though, a video game is literally real life because they spend most of their time in games. But anyway, whether you are a gamer or just playing for fun, the dumbness of NPCs probably bothers you a lot, but probably not anymore. The development of video games using artificial intelligence is something that leads to more exciting games. Artificial intelligence in gaming refers to responsive and adaptive video game experiences. These AI-based interactive experiences are typically created through non-player characters or NPCs that act intelligently or creatively as if controlled by a human player. AI is the engine that determines the behavior of NPCs in the game world. The development of video games using artificial intelligence is considered as a booming process in how to develop and run games. AI games increasingly shift control of the game experience to the player whose behavior contributes to the game experience. Current generations of video games provide an amazing testing ground for AI research and new ideas. In commercial games such as action, role-playing, and strategy game, NPC behavior is usually implemented as a variant of simple role-based systems. With a few exceptions, machine learning techniques are rarely used in advanced computer games. But machine learning techniques may enable NPCs to improve their performance by learning from mistakes and successes, automatically adapting to players' strengths and weaknesses, or learning from their opponents by imitating their tactics. All this leads to development of video games using artificial intelligence. Monolith developers created a unique system called Nemesis AI, which allows enemies to remember their battles with the player and create a bloody adventure during the game. We also previously saw that Watch Dogs Legion create backstories, relationships, and routines for every citizen you interact with. So if you save a character's life one day, their best friend might join you the next day. On the other hand, in the next few years, we may see artificial intelligence play a bigger role not only in the game itself, but also in the development of game production. Experiments with deep learning technology have recently allowed artificial intelligence to memorize a set of images or text and use what it has learned to mimic the experience. As this technology becomes more advanced, the world's biggest games can be easily generated by AI and then edited by developers and designers, speeding up the process of developing video games using AI. Now, developers have control over the world they create. Leaving their games in the hands of ultra-advanced artificial intelligence may lead to bugs or unexpected behavior. If the possibilities of an AI character reacting to the player are infinite, given how the player interacts with the world, that means developers can test every conceivable action the AI might take. But having said all this, in my opinion, the most interesting part of using artificial intelligence in the video game industry is NPCs becoming smarter, which make the game practically unpredictable with the different possibilities they create. What do you think?